Welcome to English Through Book Ideas. Learn English, grow your mind.
Do you study English but sometimes feel your English sounds too simple?
Yes, I often say I study again or I check the word, but native speakers say it differently.
Exactly. Native speakers often use phrasal verbs. For example, they say, "Let's go over the lesson," or "I need to catch up."
Catch up, go over, these sound simple, but I'm not always sure how to use them.
That is why today's lesson is important. We will learn 5 useful phrasal verbs for education. You can use them at school, in online classes, at work training, or when you study English at home.
Great. I want to sound more natural when I talk about learning.
Hello, and welcome back to English Through Book Idea. Today, we're learning phrasal verbs for education.
These are phrasal verbs we can use when we talk about school, homework, lessons, exams, and learning, right?
Yes, exactly. Today, you will learn 5 common phrasal verbs: catch up, hand in, look up, go over, and drop out.
They sound very useful.
They are. We will explain each one slowly. You will hear examples, you will hear short conversations, and at the end, you will practice speaking.
So don't just listen, speak with us.
Yes, listen, repeat, and use the phrases in your own sentences. Before we start, what is a phrasal verb?
I know it has a verb and a small word, but I get confused.
Good question. A phrasal verb is a verb plus a small word like up, out, off, on, in, or way.
So, for example, look plus up becomes look up.
Correct. But the meaning can change. Look means to use your eyes, but look up means to search for information.
Like I looked up a new word in the dictionary.
Perfect. Phrasal verbs are very common in daily English. They're not always formal, but they sound natural.
So if I learn them, I can understand native speakers better.
Exactly. And you can speak more naturally, too. Our first phrasal verb is catch up.
Catch up.
Catch up means to reach the same level as others after you are behind.
So if I miss a class, I need to catch up.
Exactly. It is common in daily conversation. We often say catch up on homework, catch up on lessons, or catch up with classmates.
Can I say I need to catch up my homework?
Not quite. Say, I need to catch up on my homework. Use catch up on for tasks or study. Use catch up with for people.
Catch up on homework, catch up with classmates.
Great. Here are examples. I missed 2 classes, so I need to catch up. She is catching up on her reading. He stayed after school to catch up with the group.
Let's try a dialogue.
You missed English class yesterday. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay, but I need to catch up on the lesson.
No problem. I can send you my notes.
Thank you. That will help me catch up faster.
Pronunciation tip. Say it smoothly. Catch up. The words connect. Catch up.
Catch up. I need to catch up.
Our second phrasal verb is hand in.
Hand in.
Hand in means to give homework, an assignment, a form, or a report to a teacher or manager.
So it means submit.
Yes, submit is more formal. Hand in is common in school and daily conversation.
Is hand in separable?
Yes, you can say hand your homework in or hand your homework in. But with a pronoun, say hand it in.
Not hand in it.
Correct. Say, please hand it in before Friday.
Examples?
I have to hand in my essay tomorrow. Did you hand your project in? Please hand it in before the class starts.
Let's do a dialogue. Did you finish your history assignment?
Yes, I finished it last night.
Great. When do you have to hand it in?
I have to hand it in by 5 o'clock today.
Common mistake. Don't say I handed my homework to teacher if you mean submit.
Better, I handed in my homework to the teacher, or simply, I handed in my homework. Our third phrasal verb is look up.
Look up.
Look up means to search for information in a dictionary, book, website, or app.
So when I don't know a word, I look it up.
Exactly. Look up is common in daily conversation. It is also separable.
So I can say look up the word or look the word up,
Yes, but with a pronoun, say look it up.
not look up it.
Correct. Say look it up in an online dictionary. She looked the answer up after class. If you don't know the meaning, look it up.
Dialogue time. What does economics mean?
It is the study of money, business, and how people use resources.
I see. I'll look it up and read more examples.
Good idea. Looking up new words helps you learn faster.
Usage tip. Don't look up every word. Look up important words that help you understand the sentence.
Excellent tip. Our fifth phrasal verb is go over.
Go over.
Go over means to review something carefully.
So before a test, I can go over my notes.
Perfect. Go over is very common in school, meetings, and work training.
Is it formal or informal?
It is common and natural. You can use it in class, at work, and in daily life.
Is it separable?
No. Say go over the notes or go over them. Don't say go the notes over.
Got it.
Examples. Let's go over the answers together. I have to go over my notes before the exam. The teacher went over the homework in class.
Let's try a dialogue. Are you ready for the math test?
Not yet. Can we go over the main formulas together?
Sure, let's go over them slowly.
Thank you. That makes me feel more confident.
Our fifth phrasal verb is drop out.
Drop out.
Drop out means to leave a school, course, or program before finishing it.
So if someone stops studying at university, they drop out.
Yes. It can sound serious, so use it carefully. We often say drop out of school, drop out of university, or drop out of a course.
Can I say he dropped out the course?
Not quite. Say he dropped out of the course.
Drop out of. I need the word of.
Correct. Examples. She dropped out of the course because it was too expensive. He didn't drop out. He just changed his major. Many students feel stressed, but they should ask for help before dropping out.
Dialogue? I heard Mark left the English program.
Yes, he dropped out last month.
Why did he drop out?
He was too busy with work, but he may join again next semester.
This phrase is useful, but a little serious.
Exactly. Use it when someone really leaves a course or school before finishing. Now let's use all 5 phrasal verbs in one real conversation.
Great. I'll listen for a catch up, hand in, look up, go over, and drop out.
Hey, how is your online English course going?
It's good, but I missed 2 lessons last week. I need to catch up.
That's okay. Did the teacher give homework?
Yes, I have to hand it in by Friday.
Do you understand all the new vocabulary?
Not all. I looked up some words, but I still need more practice.
Let's go over the lesson together after work.
Thanks. I was worried, but I don't want to drop out.
Don't drop out. You're doing well. Just catch up step by step.
Thank you. I feel better now.
Great job. In this conversation, catch up means study what you missed. Hand in means submit homework or report. Look up means search for information. Go over means review. Drop out means leave a course before finishing. Now let's fix common mistakes.
I like this part. It helps me avoid bad habits.
Mistake 1. Wrong. I need to catch up my homework.
Correct. I need to catch up on my homework.
Use catch up on for homework, lessons, reading, or work. Mistake 2. Wrong. Please hand in it today.
Correct. Please hand it in today.
With a pronoun, put it in the middle. Hand it in. Mistake 3. Wrong. I will look it up.
Correct. I will look it up.
Again, with a pronoun, say look it up. Mistake 4. Wrong. Let's go the lesson over.
Correct. Let's go over the lesson.
Go over is not separated.
Mistake 5. Wrong. He dropped out the university.
Correct. He dropped out of university.
Use drop out of when you mention the school, university, or course. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me.
Speak out loud. Don't be shy.
I need to catch up on my lessons.
I need to catch up on my lessons.
Please hand it in tomorrow.
Please hand it in tomorrow.
I'll look it up after class.
I'll look it up after class.
Let's go over the notes together.
Let's go over the notes together.
He dropped out of the course.
He dropped out of the course.
Now fill in the blank. Number 1. I missed class, so I need to blank.
Catch up.
Number 2. Please blank your homework by Friday.
Hand in.
Number 3. If you don't know the word, blank it, blank.
Look it up.
Practice questions. Answer out loud. What do you need to catch up on? When do you usually hand in your homework or reports? What English word did you look up recently?
You can also write one answer in the comments.
Let's review the 5 phrasal verbs.
Number 1, catch up. It means to reach the same level after being behind. Example, I need to catch up on my homework.
Number 2, hand in. It means to submit homework or report. Example, please hand it in tomorrow.
Number 3, look up. It means to search for information. Example, I looked up the word online.
Number 4, go over. It means to review or check carefully. Example, let's go over the lesson.
Number 5, drop out. It means to leave a course or school before finishing. Example, he dropped out of the course.
Excellent. Try to use these 5 phrasal verbs this week. Great work today. You learned 5 useful phrasal verbs for education.
Catch up, hand in, look up, go over, and drop out.
Now, comment one sentence using one of today's phrasal verbs.
For example, I need to catch up on my English lessons.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to English Through Book Idea, and watch the next lesson.
Keep practicing. Small steps every day make a big difference.
Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next lesson.
Bye!